Welcome to VI Tech Explore, a channel dedicated to making the world of technology accessible to the visually challenged community. I'm your host, and I'm passionate about empowering individuals with visual impairments to embrace the latest innovations and digital advancements. Join me as we explore cutting-edge assistive technologies and adaptive software that empower the visually challenged community to navigate the digital world with confidence. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a low-vision user, or simply seeking to understand the unique experiences of our community, VI Tech Explore is here to guide you. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming content. Together, let's navigate the digital world with confidence and limitless possibilities.
How to use WhatsApp on your tablet. By Alan Truly and Parth Shah. With over 2 billion monthly active users, WhatsApp is the world's most popular messaging app. The Facebook-owned app offers a simple and intuitive user interface, notable features, and hidden tips and tricks, making it a joy to use. Until recently, WhatsApp lacked a dedicated app for tablets, making it inconvenient to use on a bigger screen. However, that has changed, and WhatsApp now offers an official app designed for your favorite Android tablet. You still need to use a browser to connect to WhatsApp on an iPad, but you can link your Android phone or iPhone to sync messages. What is linked devices in WhatsApp? The linked devices feature in WhatsApp allows you to use WhatsApp on 5 devices simultaneously, including your primary smartphone. It doesn't require an internet connection on your primary smartphone. You can use WhatsApp on your phone and 4 linked devices, including tablets, laptops, Chromebooks, and desktop computers, via the app or WhatsApp web. Linked devices enjoy the same end-to-end encryption as the smartphone app, but WhatsApp logs out your linked tablet and computer if you don't access WhatsApp on your phone for more than 2 weeks. Note, linked devices don't support live location viewing, broadcast lists, or status updates. Use WhatsApp on your Android tablet using linked devices. The benefit of using the multi-device login is that your tablet WhatsApp app works independently of your phone app. That means you can receive and send messages from your tablet, even if your phone has no internet connection. 1. Launch the WhatsApp app on your tablet and tap the Agree and Continue button. A QR code appears. A screenshot of the WhatsApp tablet app shows an arrow pointing to the Agree and Continue button. 2. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. 3. Tap the 3-dot menu or More option in the upper right corner. 4. Select the Linked Devices option. A screenshot of the WhatsApp Android app shows an arrow pointing to the More menu. A screenshot of the WhatsApp Android app shows linked devices outlined in the More menu. 5. Tap the Link a Device button. 6. The phone asks you to authenticate with your PIN or fingerprint. After you authenticate, WhatsApp opens a code scanner. Use it to scan the QR code on your tablet. 7. After you scan, WhatsApp takes a few minutes to download your chats and history on the tablet. The steps to scan a WhatsApp QR code differ on an iPhone. Here's how to do it. 1. Launch WhatsApp on your iPhone. 2. Tap the settings gear in the lower right corner. 3. Select linked devices. 4. Tap Link a Device. 5. Scan the WhatsApp QR code on your Android tablet and sync the chat history. When you link your WhatsApp account on an Android tablet, the app syncs up to 2 years of your most recent conversation history. If you want to search for old messages, use your primary phone. The Linked Devices feature contains many but not all functions found on WhatsApp for your phone. Use WhatsApp Web on an iPad and Android tablet. If you don't want to use the WhatsApp Android tablet app or use an iPad, you can access your chats on WhatsApp using the WhatsApp Web app. It works the same way as WhatsApp Web on a desktop. Tip. Since the Safari browser allows you to place a specific web page on the home screen, we recommend setting up WhatsApp Web with the default browser on an iPad. How to access your chats on Android. 1. Open a browser on your tablet and go to web.whatsapp.com. 2. Open the Link Devices menu on WhatsApp for Android, check the steps above. 3. Tap the Link a Device button. 4. Scan the QR code on WhatsApp Web to get your messages. How to get your messages on an iPhone. 1. On an iPhone, open Link Devices in WhatsApp Settings, refer to the steps above. 2. Tap Link a Device. 3. Scan the QR code to use WhatsApp Web on your tablet. Create a shortcut for WhatsApp Web on the iPad home screen. You don't need to open Safari and navigate to WhatsApp Web to check your recent messages. You can add a WhatsApp shortcut on the home screen and glance over your conversations with a single tap. 1. Launch Safari on your iPad and visit WhatsApp Web. 2. Tap the share icon at the top. 3. Select Add to Home Screen. 4. Give it a relevant name, check the icon, and select Add. 5. Return to the home screen and move the WhatsApp shortcut to a relevant place. Thanks for watching.